go for a walk into the water, which is probably about 86 degrees, or what is that, 33? It's crazy.
It's like a warm
Bathtub. Whoops. What have you got to say, my love? In 2 days, we will have been married for 8 years.
Wow.
And they've gone by so quickly.
That is so true.
So quickly. What a great marriage it's been, too.
Yes. And great team.
Okay. Should we try and do a, actually, let's do a dip in.
What do you mean?
Under, yeah. See how it goes. It probably looked pretty bad, but you want to come a bit further? Come on. Okay, here we go, guys. All the way in. You ready? 1, 2, and 3. I opened my eyes too, and I'll tell you what, it's kind of rough, man.
Yeah,
Okay, turn this around and turn it off. It's on. What have you got to say for yourself, my love? Huh?
salty water.
Salt life.
My eyes.
Mi óleos. Mio ol. No. Mio óleos. Oleos are ears. Óleos are eyes.
Óleos.
Boca is mouth. Let's have a look underneath.
What's your
Under. A lot more crowded down there.
Definitely the beach to come to.
Yeah, but I mean, look down there. Look how crowded it is down there. Got like that slide over there.
It's not so crowded yet because people have to walk further.
right, here I am.
Steve, you missed something.
What?
There's something strange earlier with the funny, right? And it's not, there it is there, and it's not a dolphin.
Where?
Just over here. And it's not a dolphin, it's not black.
Oh, I see.
Yep. I don't know if it's a big fish.
What do you mean
It was coming this way. I don't think it's a dolphin, to be honest. Because it had like a see-through fin. It's not
Okay, so Eileen is saying that she has seen a fin here and she don't believe it's a dolphin. So I'm wondering if we should go a little bit shallower. Seeing as that lady yesterday, that girl, that 15-year-old girl had her leg bit off.
But you saw it, right?
I did.
I saw it a few times.
I mean it could be, I don't know. I don't know what it could be.
And if it's the dolphin, you normally get dolphins in groups.
I'm coming around here. Look at that sky.